Other side. How's the body treating you?
Good.
Yeah. Awesome. Is that tender there?
Yeah.
All right. Want me to get that? Want me to get that?
Yeah.
Okay. Go right here. Is that better there?
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
better.
On this side. Got a little something here. I'm gonna go. One more. There it is.
It feels better.
Good. Now, we haven't even seen you 24 hours yet.
I know.
So let's see how it goes. Electric finger. Perfect. Come around, get some flexion in here. Oh, yeah. And, whoa, one more time. Good. All right. Awesome. We'll go face down on your belly. All right. So left leg is a little short. From what I remember, that side's a little tender, right?
Yeah.
Right side? All right. So I'm gonna have you lay on your side towards me. This, oh no, this way, sorry. I'm gonna put this on. Other side. That side's a louder side. Let's see this side. Perfect. Slide over this a little bit. This one up. Bring this down. Good. Nice. Go. Face down on your belly. Okay, let's see. Check.
Yeah, it's better.
Better. That's better on this side. Let's see, the legs are even. That's beautiful. All right, just gonna hit these ribs. Gonna do a little stretch here.
Okay.
Okay, same on this side. All right, all set.
All right. Oh, I feel like a new person.
All right, perfect.